Hello everybody, this is a very short lesson on maintaining some clean code in Optimizely. In the previous lesson I looked at removing a hard-coded link from this experiment. I also noticed in this experiment that there was a large amount of duplicate code, and I just wanted to quickly highlight that for site optimization while running these tests, and just to better understand the code that you've written if you have to debug it, that keeping it as clean as possible is really useful. So in this example, we're looking at this other offers link again, which we can see here, and it has the ID of job details underscore UC job details underscore CBH1 company jobs 2, and you can see it's referenced over and over again, and each time a CSS style is being attributed to it. This is the jQuery method for adding CSS to an element, and what we can see is we can see the font size has been set, then the weight, then the decoration, then the weight again has been set a second time, but this time with a background image as well. Then another time background color, then its position and its height, its font size again, its font size again, its font size again. And each time the jQuery is just overwriting itself. So this one here, the first one in the font size, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, they do not do anything, and they can be safely removed from your code. So let's first do that. So I just want to be left with one. That appears to be the last of them. So the last font size is 14.33333, rather long number. Let's just clean up that doesn't make any sense really. Let's just change to 14. Okay, already we've reduced the amount of lines of code, and we can keep doing that again. Here you go, we've got some straightforward deletes here. That the color has been defined once and then redefined again, and you can see as you delete these and hit apply, absolutely nothing happens to the link, it remains as is. We can see the colour has been defined again there, so already in, oh, that's a different link. Okay, so just be wary of that. In that case it wasn't, that's a different link, so we'll leave that one as is. Although that is a wrapper of it, so I mean you can play around with this and see what works and what doesn't work. If you hit apply, nothing changes, you're good to go. You can always undo it. Control Z, or use the undo button at the top, which is just there if you didn't see that. Okay, again, colours defined twice. Let's remove those. Colours defined one more time there, let's remove it again. Background colour is defined twice, so let's remove this one. This time there's two together, so what we're going to do is just going to take out the first one and leave the text decoration underlined. And what we can do is, in this particular case, you can concatenate these CSS styles into one just by putting a comma at the end of the first one and adding the next one, which means now I've got these two together, so I can remove this last line. And you can basically go through the entire thing doing this until, I mean, we could dramatically reduce the lines of code here by doing this. Again, here you go, position relative, font family Arial. Let's throw all that in. It doesn't matter where you put it, as long as you make sure that each style is comma separated. There you go, like that. And remove the line, and as you can see, as we go along, that link remains the same, nothing is changing. And we can keep doing that until you have normalized every line of code that Optimizely has written. Sometimes Optimizely, if you make all the changes in one go through the interface, it will write them in the fashion that I've produced here. But if you click it, make some changes, go away, click it again, make some more changes, it will add them one by one like this. So that's just something to bear in mind, and that's just for styles. You'll be able to see all sorts of ways of optimizing the code that Optimizely writes if you just go to the edit code section and just take a look at it. I hope that helps with the styles, and any questions let me know. Thanks for watching.